Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jedth, a fine artist based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. You're watching the series Art and Accent, where I can practice my English by sharing the stories and the feelings behind my art. Today, I want to talk about a painting I created in 2023, inspired by a single question: what does love sound like? Most people think love is all about what we do for others, like giving presents, saying kind words, or just showing up. We spend so much time looking for that one person who finally gets us, hoping they will be our source of happiness. But in this video, I want to share with you a different perspective. I believe everyone is like a vast universe, as deep and mysterious as the midnight sky. We carry our own crowns, our dignity, and our unique stories. But sometimes the noise of the world becomes so loud that we lose touch with the people right in front of us. In this painting, we find someone holding themselves under a gentle moon. Look closer at the face. The eye is actually a keyhole. It's so easy to judge, to label, and to only see the surface. But these keyholes remind us the best things in life aren't seen, they are felt. To truly understanding the person you love, you first have to find the key to unlock their inner world. You will notice they are also holding a key. This isn't a key to a house or a treasure chest. It's the key of listening. We often listen just to answer, waiting for our turn to speak. But true listening is different. It's about being silent enough to hear what isn't being said. When you give someone your full attention, you are giving them the key to feel safe, seen, and truly valued. See how peaceful they look. No rushing, no fuss. They are just there. The world is full of noise, but is starving for understanding. And that's my main point. Listening is the highest form of love. You don't need to have all answers to have someone. You don't need to fix their problems. Sometimes the best gift you can give is simply your silence and open heart. Love doesn't always need a voice. It needs an ear, because when we listen deeply, we aren't just hearing words, we are finding our way back to each other. So, what does your love sound like? Let me know in the comments below. Before I go, I hope this video will bring positive energy to you, and feel free to correct me if I make mistakes. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.